Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to download and install a texture pack to your Minecraft. So first, let's download our texture pack. I will, for example, download this texture pack that I like a lot. It's called OssoCraft. I will choose CurseForge. I really like this website. And here you just click on download. Okay, so now that our texture pack just downloaded, we just go to our downloads and you can find it here. So now we open our Minecraft and we just have to launch Minecraft. Okay, so now that Minecraft is open, we go to the options and to the resource packs. Here you can find this button. We just click on that and this will open our folder for the texture packs. And now we go to our downloads and just copy and paste the texture pack. As you can see now in Minecraft, we can find the texture pack. We just click on this button. And now once we click done, this will load our texture pack. As you can see, Minecraft just changed it. We can go to our world to see the texture pack working. And yeah, it's working. So that will be everything for the texture pack. If you learned something new, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.